got our power tools and stuff that we need to do our renovations. That was shoot, I know, about $300. The battery was $100. So we have spent over $1,000 today, and yeah,
equipment.
Yeah, and equipment. So yeah,
We almost bought a generator.
we almost bought a generator because we found a yard that allows us to work on the RV, which if you haven't seen yet, yeah,
slowly but surely, we're gonna get there.
Yeah.
Y'all be with us. May God be with us.
Alright guys, so this part of the journey, as you can see, we have removed all of the cabinets, the drawers, the mirrors from the room, like everything. We are at a storage unit because HOA, of course, would not allow you to work on RVs in the community, which is understandable. So here we are. They allowed us to do it here. As you can see, we are having trouble with the plumbing because it was, of course, rigged. If you notice the floors, all the floors look pretty damp, as though there was a leak that had been happening over time. But we are still trying to, I guess, bypass the fact that